How to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp business. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can know if you have been blocked on WhatsApp business. So how do you know if someone blocks you on WhatsApp business? There are signs that you can look out for. The first thing is that you won't be able to see their last seen or their online status. So if you cannot see the person's last seen or the person's online status, it is possible that you have been blocked. And the second thing is that if their profile photo doesn't update, all right, if it doesn't update and it's just the same way it has always been, you might have been blocked. Another sign is when you send a message, if you only see one gray check mark and not two. One gray check mark means message sent, while two gray check marks means message delivered. Okay, so when you send a message, if you only see one gray check mark, it means that you might have been blocked or the number has been changed, but most likely you have been blocked. And then lastly, if your voice calls don't go through, it is another indication that you might have been blocked. So these are the different signs you can look out for to see if someone blocked you on WhatsApp business. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching and have a good day.